Question 1. What does EKS stand for? The correct answer is A, Elastic Kubernetes Service. Question 2. What is AWS EKS? The correct answer is B, Managed Kubernetes Service. Question 3. Which Kubernetes distribution does EKS use? The correct answer is B, Upstream Kubernetes. Question 4. What is an EKS cluster? The correct answer is B, Kubernetes Control Plane. Question 5. What are EKS node groups? The correct answer is B, worker node collections. Question 6. What is EKS Fargate? The correct answer is B, serverless pod compute. Question 7. What is a Fargate profile? The correct answer is B, define pods for Fargate. Question 8. What is kubectl? The correct answer is B, Kubernetes CLI. Question 9. What is eksctl? The correct answer is B, EKS Management CLI. Question 10. What is a Kubernetes pod? The correct answer is B, smallest deployable unit. Question 11. What is a Kubernetes deployment? The correct answer is B, manages replica sets. Question 12. What is a Kubernetes service? The correct answer is B, network abstraction for pods. Question 13. What is a Kubernetes namespace? The correct answer is B, virtual cluster. Question 14. What is the EKS control plane? The correct answer is B, managed Kubernetes master. Question 15. Who manages the EKS control plane? The correct answer is B, AWS. Question 16. What is a managed node group? The correct answer is B, AWS managed EC2 nodes. Question 17. What is a self-managed node group? The correct answer is B, customer-managed EC2 nodes. Question 18. What is the AWS Load Balancer controller? The correct answer is B, Kubernetes Ingress controller. Question 19. What is EKS add-ons? The correct answer is B, operational software. Question 20. What is the VPC CNI plugin? The correct answer is B, pod networking. Question 21. What is CoreDNS in EKS? The correct answer is B, DNS service for cluster. Question 22. What is kube proxy? The correct answer is B, network proxy for services. Question 23. What is IRSA?
The correct answer is B, IAM roles for service accounts.
Question 24. What is a Kubernetes config map? The correct answer is B, configuration data. Question 25. What is a Kubernetes secret? The correct answer is B, sensitive data storage. Question 26. What is EKS Anywhere? The correct answer is B, on-premises Kubernetes. Question 27. What is EKS distro? The correct answer is B, Kubernetes distribution. Question 28. What is a Kubernetes ingress? The correct answer is B, HTTP/HTTPS routing. Question 29. What is a stateful set? The correct answer is B, stateful pod management. Question 30. What is a daemon set? The correct answer is B, pod on every node. Question 31. What is a Kubernetes job? The correct answer is B, run to completion task. Question 32. What is a cron job? The correct answer is B, scheduled job. Question 33. What is horizontal pod autoscaler? The correct answer is B, pod replica scaling. Question 34. What is cluster autoscaler? The correct answer is B, node scaling. Question 35. What is Karpenter? The correct answer is B, node provisioning tool. Question 36. What is EBS CSI driver? The correct answer is B, storage driver for EBS. Question 37. What is EFS CSI driver? The correct answer is B, storage driver for EFS. Question 38. What is a persistent volume? The correct answer is B, cluster storage resource. Question 39. What is a persistent volume claim? The correct answer is B, request for storage. Question 40. What is a storage class? The correct answer is B, Dynamic Provisioning Config. Question 41. What is Kubernetes RBAC? The correct answer is B, Role-Based Access Control. Question 42. What is a Kubernetes role? The correct answer is B, Namespace Permissions. Question 43. What is a cluster role? The correct answer is B, Cluster-Wide Permissions. Question 44. What is Helm? The correct answer is B, Kubernetes Package Manager. Question 45. What is a Helm chart? The correct answer is B, Kubernetes Package. Question 46. What is Prometheus in EKS? The correct answer is B, Monitoring System. Question 47. What is Fluent/FluentBit? The correct answer is B, Log Aggregator. Question 48. What is AWS App Mesh? The correct answer is B, Service Mesh. Question 49. What is Kubernetes Network Policy? The correct answer is B, Pod Traffic Rules. Question 50. What is EKS pricing based on? The correct answer is B, Control Plane plus Nodes. How many did you get right? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.